Hello friends, welcome to Tax Rider. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is recently identified by the ED Enforcement Director. So before discussing about the ED and the suspicious Dubai purchase, property purchase, we have to first discuss the case why ED came into the picture. So recently we have seen a hike in a property price, and we have seen that hike in India as well as in Dubai. So as you know that India is going to be a high cost property, especially in Delhi and Mumbai. So Indians are moving to the Dubai, as Dubai is a very good investment due to the rise in the property price or the tax benefits which Dubai government is providing to foreigners. So there are multiple investment done by the Indians in last year in property in Dubai. So the data shared by UAE authorities with the income tax department in India. So income tax department found that there are multiple cases in India where Indians who have invested in property in Dubai not reported their investment in their ITR, or if they have done the investment, that is not proper or as per the FEMA regulation. So they have issued notice to multiple Indians about that, and there are multiple cases they have found out where the funds are moving from the India to Dubai, which is not in a proper manner. So ED enforcement director came into the picture after income tax and the RBI and RBI's sharing the information with ED, and ED start investigating this type of the transactions, why investment from India to Dubai is increasing in property. So in this video we are discussing this step by step. This will help to understand where they are, especially Indians are making fault in investing in Dubai, what are the provisions which they are violating under the FEMA, and FEMA is what FEMA is not allowing Indians to invest in Dubai in property. So let's discuss our first video. So friends, as we know the role of Enforcement Directorate ED, so we already know that there is a serious matter when ED came into the picture. So there may be a case of money laundering. So ED is start investigating under PMLA, Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Also, ED is investigating under the FEMA. So there are multiple cases in which there is a violation of the FEMA law. So ED is investigating from both point of view. So ED, we everyone know that is a primary agency for financial crime investigation. If they found anything wrong, they can attach the assets, make arrest, or may enforce the penalties. So in this slide, we will discuss the data which is taken for the investigation purpose. So first is the ITR. So there are discrepancies in the ITR where the data received from the UAE authorities are not matching with the individual ITR, in which they have not mentioned the data of investment in Dubai property. The second is the RBI data, where the RBI data show that there are outflow from India under the LRS, liberalized remittance scheme, in Dubai, especially in the purchase of the property. So uh, there are multiple cases which trigger there is something happening between India and Dubai. That's why this investigation came into the picture. So, friends, in this slide, we will discuss the modus operandi, how the scheme work. So, you have heard about the shell companies. So, through the shell companies, uh, there is the transfer of the fund to mask the beneficial owner. Over invoicing. This is a way to transfer the fund from one country to another country to invest in the real estate. And we know that Dubai having the tax benefits to foreigners, so that may be the case to invest in the Dubai properties. If we talk about the regulatory framework, so there are two framework, PMLA and FEMA implications. So under PMLA provision, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, these are basically for the purpose of the crime or to use the black money. So that's why this provision came into the picture. FEMA regulation, there is a set of the regulation which is framed by the RBI, which guide us to transfer the fund from India to other country under the FEMA. So there is a violation under the FEMA. That's why these or these investigation came into the picture. If there is a non-compliances, then obviously there will be the assets seize, penalty, or imprisonment. As we know that ED has started the investigation, so that will impact obviously on the Dubai real estate market, because right now the Indians are the top most investor in the Dubai real estate, and we can say that there are more than 50% investors who are from India to invest in Dubai property. There will be a reputational risk for the Dubai because they may be seen as a safe haven for the illicit fund that came from the black money, and there may be UAE authority may start scrutinizing thoroughly in future. So let's understand the practical case. Suppose we are going to purchase a home in Dubai, so we are just referring the advertisement or the fairs which are hosted by the Dubai builders or the brokers, and we are came into the impression that this is a good investment for us in Dubai, as obviously Dubai is a good destinations for the foreigners, and property price obviously rise in the Dubai as well, because lots of the foreigners are coming to Dubai for the business or the job purpose. So they will definitely plan to purchase a property in Dubai. So that is a good investment for the from Indian perspective. So that there is no harm to invest in the property in Dubai, and there is a good payment plan offered by Dubai builder or the broker, like we see in India, that we can invest in Dubai property by doing the down payment of 15 to 20%, and rest of the payment we can pay off in 8 to 10 years as per the convenience. So this is the normal plan which we receive in the India. The same we are receiving in Dubai, and I think as a normal uh, person, we don't have any harm to invest in that plan. But my friend, you should understand this is not a transaction in India. This is a foreign transaction. So you are investing in Dubai. That's mean your money is going out of India in foreign currency, like in dollar. So if there is any payment in foreign currency, then RBI came into the picture, and there is a FEMA regulation which need to be comply. So most of the Indians who are doing investment in Dubai, they did not consult with any CA regarding the FEMA regulation. Maybe they are not aware, or maybe uh, they have discussed with their close relatives or friends, and they are also doing the same thing, and nothing came from the income tax department, and I think they suggested them to not report in ITR, and nothing will happen. But my friend, this scenario is changing, every country is exchanging the information of investment bank details with other countries' government. So now it is very crucial for all of us to make sure when you are going to invest in any foreign country to check the law of that particular country in which you are living. So that will be for your benefits. So friends, if you are looking this video, so we are giving you a summarize form of the FEMA rule. If you are planning to invest any property outside India, so this rule will apply to all countries. This is just a summarized way. This is just a opinion. Maybe the real transaction will vary, and before doing any real transaction, please consult with a CA, or don't do just because of this video. This is just a view we are giving based on our knowledge, and this is not an expert view. For expert view, you have to take a consultation from from any international expert. So the rule is, if you are going to purchase a property outside India, so first, whatever payment you will make, that will be made under LRS, Liberalized Remittance Scheme, and a person resident in India is allowed to make an investment up to $250,000 in a particular year. If it is a family investment, then each family member is allowed to invest $250,000 in a year in a property. So that is the first point, that your investment cannot beyond $250,000 in a particular year for a particular person. The second thing is, like in property, the amount is very big, so we can make a part payment initially, like 15 to 20%, and rest of the payment we do in an installment for the coming years. So this is a very good thing to know, that you can't do the deferred payment in case of foreign country if FEMA involve. So this transaction will be invalid if you are deferring your payment for future years. So like in our case, if we are doing a down payment, and if that down payment is up to a limit of 2,50,000, that is fine. But the agreement which allow you to make a payment in 8 to 10 years, which is not permitted under the FEMA. So this payment is called Deferred Payment Agreement. This is called under FEMA DPA, Deferred Payment Agreement. This is not allowed under the FEMA. If you are going to enter any DPA, you have to first take the permission from the RBI to enter into such agreement. That's why lots of the people are getting notices from the income tax, ED come into the picture, because there is a violation of the FEMA. So my friend, if you are going to invest in any property outside India, please go and consult with your CA before doing any investment. He will check the DTA benefit for you, whatever the DTA India has signed with that country. Don't do the investment without these queries or these clarification. Otherwise, you will be under investigation. So hope this video help you to understand the uh, problem happens with Indians after investing in Dubai's property. Thank you. Thanks a lot.